This is the Tank M3. It's a really nice watch with a beautiful high-definition screen, lots of nice controls, brightness, do not disturb, an onboard flashlight, and your settings access. Your activity for the day, which is broken down into steps, calories burned, specific exercises, your last 7-day trend, even your 24-hour step count for the day that repeats every day. You've got last night's sleep time, and you've got the chart to show it here too, which has the color coding for awake, REM, light, and restful sleep when you went to bed, when you got up. Heart rate is in here. It'll take an instantaneous heart rate for you, or you can take a look at how you're doing in your continuous heart rate. Nice, high contrast AMOLED screen. You can see the difference, can't you? Here is blood pressure, and you get the range specifications, and your last 7 readings are displayed. And again, just tap the screen, it'll start doing it. Blood oxygen is on this one. You've got the last 7 readings as well. And to show you, when we do start it, it switches to and uses the red diodes instead of the green ones to get your information. Stresses on this watch, you've got a range from 0 to 100, and you've got your actual 24-hour chart right here, so you can really monitor your current stress condition at any time, or touch it and take an instantaneous reading. You can set up for weather in whatever city you want, in Fahrenheit, Celsius, centigrade, whatever. You've got a music player in here that plays really loud, really clear. You see that in the longer video, and you can add more of these cards from a huge selection, including timers and stopwatches, alarms, all those different things. You got a variety of different watch faces. You've got your apps in here, and you can display them in all kinds of different ways. All in all, it's a very, very nice, huge AMOLED watch with a long battery life, up to 100 hours or so standby. Nice designed removable bands, and it's available right now. It's called the Tank M3. Check it out.